When it comes to automating infrastructure across multiple cloud providers, two names come up often: Pulumi and Ansible. Both can handle cloud resources, but they come from different worlds and shine in different ways. Let's break down what makes each one tick and which might be the better fit for your multi-cloud setup. Pulumi feels like a developer's tool right out of the box. It takes the idea of infrastructure as code and makes it truly code. You can write your infrastructure in languages like Python, TypeScript, Go, C#, or Java. That means if your team already writes software, Pulumi will feel very natural. You can use loops, conditions, and all the logic you want to define and deploy infrastructure across clouds like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, all from one place. What really stands out about Pulumi is how it handles complexity. It is great for building reusable infrastructure modules, managing multiple environments, and deploying across different regions or clouds without needing separate systems. It gives you real-time updates as it deploys, and you always have a clear picture of what is being created or changed. The open-source nature and strong community support also help you adapt it to almost any workflow. Now let's talk about Ansible. Ansible has been around longer and is well loved by operations teams for being easy to pick up. It uses simple YAML files called playbooks to describe what you want done. No programming required. You can configure servers, deploy software, or even provision cloud resources using Ansible modules. And because it is agentless, you do not have to install anything on the machines it manages. It just connects over standard protocols like SSH and gets to work. Ansible really shines at configuration management and orchestration. You can describe your ideal system state, and Ansible will make it happen across all your servers. It is great for managing updates, patches, and workflows that involve multiple systems working together. For example, you can deploy a full stack, database, application, and load balancer with one playbook. So how do you choose between them? If your goal is to build and maintain complex infrastructure across several cloud providers, and you want everything versioned and programmable, Pulumi gives you the power and flexibility you need. It is a strong fit for developer-oriented teams that want infrastructure to behave like software. In the end, Pulumi is your go-to for programmable, scalable, multi-cloud infrastructure, while Ansible is your trusted companion for automation and configuration across systems. Both are excellent tools, but your choice depends on whether you think more like a developer or an operator. Either way, both can make your multi-cloud journey far more efficient and secure.